ever since the vacuum left. Things have been peaceful until just sat there all day. I didn't know what his purpose was. That was until I live in constant fear. I find it best to just wait for it to be over. I wait the day that this thing gets banished, just like the vacuum.